Welcome back to Restoring Reality Homestead, where a couple of years ago I lost my dad, and I've been spending all my extra time and effort to fixing the house up for my mother. In this, we are documenting the journey, and I hope that we can help you come along with yours as well. Alright, so here I am. I got my bucket of water. And so I'm going to be taking that sponge, wiping down the walls again in preparation for the next step. Hopefully I got them all, but I might have to, yeah, there's a couple spots here. You probably can't see it on the camera. A couple spots I'll have to make some cleanup and adjustment to. But as soon as I get done with wiping all this down, I'll have a better idea about what I'm going to be doing next. More than likely just do the touch-ups so that I can come back and do a quick sand over the weekend. And then, yeah, next step would be texture. So stand by. I think I'm going to start on the ceiling first. Yeah, this isn't going to be one of those deals where it's just once and done. I can see some spots up here that need a lot of love. Alright, so I got a clean sponge, and a clean bucket of water. So I'm gonna see if I can get any of this garbage off of this beam. Alright, so right here, I guess it wanted to come off. That's probably my wood filler, so I'll have to be a little more careful as I take the rest off. I don't know, I think I like it just a little bit lighter like that. It was right here. See it right there? You can kind of see those knots shining through a little bit better. And I think it makes it pop. Right up here in the very corner, I'm not too concerned about that staining because it's going to be covered up by a little bit of trim. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed. Alright, so I got this room sanded down completely and then went through with a marker and marked all the spots that need some love and attention, and it looks like the room just broke out in a rash. Not much on the ceiling, so that's good. Mostly in the corners. So let's get at it. Right, so I've finished up all of the filling. It dried overnight. Did a little bit of sanding, as you can see, wearing it all. And then I made some final touch-ups. Spots like here, and I think I hit some on this corner here. And that stuff just has to dry, and we'll be all set. And then, yeah, I think we're close enough now to where I think that we can start the texture. And as soon as the texture's done, then we'll work on the floor. Get the floor laid down. And hold on, I'll show you. So this here is the flooring that we did in one room. So this room already got a makeover by me. And now it's just kind of used for storage because she's living in the house that we're fixing. And there is all of the flooring for the bedroom that I'm working on now. And the other day I actually went ahead and boarded up the end of Mom's house. And the reason for that is because we had a bunch of cats that just moved in and decided to make it their home. So what I'm going to do is just show you a really quick job of what I've done. And it is temporary, so do keep that in mind. So here we go. I went ahead, plywood, just screwed them straight into the house. And over here on this corner, because cats were getting in, this was all open to about halfway, right about there. And they were just wrecking it under there. They've already destroyed the plumbing, and we've had to call a plumber out to fix it. And then here's the little contraption that I caught them with. So when I caught them, I just went to Walmart and bought some really cheap, fancy Feast Gravy Lovers cat food, the wet stuff. And I put that in there. And you can see from the pictures that are about to come that it did a good job. I caught 5 cats, and I think I probably took a picture of 4 of them, maybe. So obviously I'm at home right now, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that it helped anybody else that is going through the same process, maybe. That there's certain steps that you have to take, and it all comes together beautifully. And you can't see it yet, but just have faith, because it will.